how to write the sound So come along, let's do this together. Hi children, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Ezebuchi. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe. You are highly welcome. Like this video and share, okay? All right, so today we're going to be learning to write this sound, the letter M that makes the sound what? So before we do this, remember that we have learned to write the sound from A to what? L. So if you are stuck anywhere, you can find the videos down below on this channel, okay? All right, so before we learn to write this, all we need to do is look at the screen and let's say the sounds together. 1, 2, go! A, B, K, D, E, G, H, I, J, K, L, A, P, Q, R, S, T, A, W, X, Y, Z. Well done, children. That was super fantastic. I am so proud of you. Remember, right now we're going to be doing it again in a random order, right? Okay, so what sound is this? Look at it clearly. The sound was amazing. And what about this one? The word Good job. Like what? Ants, right? Okay, so let's see more sounds. And what sound is this? The sound what? Q. Now remember that Q is very, very shy and it moves with the sound its friend called what? A. So when you blend them together, it makes one sound called what? Q. Again, Q. Again, Q. So can you see that? Good job. So let's move on. And what about this sound? The sound what? Amazing. Good job. And what sound is this? Amazing. Well done. And look at this one. What sound is this? The sound what? Amazing. And this one? Good job. What sound is this? Amazing what? Z. Like your zip. Again, zip. Good job. And what about this sound? Good, good, good. And look at this sound. What sound is this? Amazing what? Good job. Amazing. And what about this one? Is the what? S sound. Good job. And let's see this one over here. Like you're looking up. Okay? Up. Up. Or the umbrella. All right. One more here. What sound is this? Look at this sound here. The sound what? Good job. And finally, what sound is this? Amazing what? Like your map or your meal. Like mommy's meal is so delicious. All right, well done, children. So right now we are moving up to what? Learn how to write. So come with me to this board behind me here. Now we're going to be learning to write this sound. Remember again, we have learned how to write R to what? And today we are focusing on only what? Right? So if you really want to learn how to write them, go down below on my channel and search for the videos. You're going to find them through the thumbnail. You would see little pictures there that will tell you this is the sound. Okay, you click and write. Remember again, if you have not liked this video, please do that right now and let's come along. Okay, so when you want to write the first thing you do is what? Watch over here. A stroke down. Can you see? Stroke up the same line. Down the hill. Up the same line. Down the hill. And make a loop. That's what? Did you see that? Now let's try that again. One to go. A stroke down, stroke up the same line, down the hill, down. Are you seeing? Stroke up again, the same line, down the hill again, and make a little loop. Now remember, this loop over here, this loop shows that you're going to connect when we start handwriting. Okay, it shows that you're gonna what? Connect. Okay, so can you see this is what? I'm gonna do this again over here. Now watch. A stroke down, up the same line, down the hill, up the same line again. Can you see? Curve down the hill again, and a little loop. Did you see that? Okay, so I'm going to be using the small board. I will come closer so you can see what it looks like again. Can you see this? Over here. So watch. A stroke down, stroke up the same. Sorry. Let me change my marker, okay? Okay. A stroke down. Up the same line, can you see? Down the hill, up the same line, down the hill, and the loop. Let's do it over here. Watch again. A stroke down, stroke up the same line. Are you watching? Down the hill, stroke up again, down the hill, and the loop. Let's do it again. A stroke down, a stroke up the same line, down the hill, stroke up again, down the hill, and the loop. Did you see that? Okay, so I'm going to repeat it again. And I want you to watch, okay? Want to go. A stroke down, stroke up the same line, down the hill, stroke up the same line, down the hill, and the loop. Right? So, right now, we're going to be connecting all the we're going to connect all the sounds from R to what? Before we do that, watch again. A stroke down, stroke up the same line, down the hill, up the same line, down the hill, and the loop. Did you see that? That's what? Okay, so I'm going to clean this off and we're going to be writing from R to what? So we're going to connect it. Remember, when you're writing R to what? When you get stuck, all you need to do is go back and recite from R again. So come with me and let's do this together. Are we ready? Okay, so from here to here. So the first sound we have is what? R. After R is what? B. Right? A, B. The next is what? K. Can you see? A, B, K. And what? D. A, B, K, D. E. A, B, K, D. E. Right? A, B, K, D. E. The next is what? G. Good job. Back up, go up, down the same line, and make a swing. A, B, K, D. E. G. Good job. Stroke down, stroke up, down the hill, make a loop. A, B, K, D. E, G. E, good job. E, stroke down, make a loop, and the dots. Did you see that? A, B, K, D. E, G. E, the next is what? J, J, J. Let's come over here for J. Let's do it over here. A stroke down, make a swing, and the dots. Did you see that? J. A, B, K, D. E, G. E, J. Good job. The kicking. Let's use a pointer. A, B, K, D. E, G. E, J. Stroke down and make a loop. A, B, K, D. E, G. E, J. And so let's write a stroke down, stroke up the same line, down the hill, up the same line, down the hill, and a loop. That's what? That's what? Good job. So let's go again. 1 to go. A, B, K, D. E, G. E, J. And amazing. Well done, children. So this is how we write the sound word. So one more time, let's do it. A stroke down, up the same line, down the hill, stroke up again the same line, down the hill, and a loop. Remember, when you're writing, you don't take away your hands. You don't take away the pencil or your pen. You keep moving and connect it, okay? So let's do that again. One more time. We're going to be writing the sound together. So let's go. A stroke down, stroke up the same line, down the hill, up the same line, down the hill, and a loop. Did you see that? Good job. So we're going to do it gigantic now. A stroke down, up the same line, down the hill, up the same line, down the hill, and a loop. That's the sound word. Good job. Okay, children, so we have learned how to write the sound word today. And I'm going to be seeing you in the next video where we learn to write what? So till then, remember to keep practicing writing your sound from R to what? And I'll see you in the next video. Okay, children, remember to subscribe, remember to share and like this video. You see this hand like this? Click on it. Good job. All right, children. Bye.